Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to notify everyone in Basecamp. I know this can be a bit of a pain, especially if you have a large team, but I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that will make it a lot easier. So, let's get started. 1. Use the Notify Everyone button. This is the most obvious way to notify everyone in Basecamp. Simply click on the Notify Everyone button when you create a new post or update an existing one. 2. Use @mentions. You can also use @mentions to notify specific people in Basecamp. For example, if you want to notify John and Jane about a new project, you can simply type @John@Jane in your post. 3. Use the broadcast feature. The broadcast feature allows you to send a message to everyone in your Basecamp community. This is a great way to make announcements or share important information. 4. Use the announcement feature. The announcement feature is similar to the broadcast feature, but it allows you to create a more formal announcement. This is a good option if you want to make a special announcement to your team. 5. Use the email feature. You can also use the email feature to send a message to everyone in Basecamp. This is a good option if you need to send a message that contains sensitive information or attachments. 6. Use the Basecamp chat feature. The Basecamp chat feature allows you to chat with individual users or groups of users. This is a great way to get quick answers to questions or have informal discussions. 7. Use the Basecamp Groups feature. The Basecamp Groups feature allows you to create groups of users. This is a great way to organize your team and communicate with specific groups of people. 8. Use the Basecamp Tags feature. The Basecamp Tags feature allows you to tag posts and comments with keywords. This is a great way to search for information and stay organized. 9. Use the Basecamp Filters feature. The Basecamp Filters feature allows you to filter your posts and comments by a variety of criteria. This is a great way to find the information you need. 10. Use the Basecamp Notifications feature. The Basecamp Notifications feature allows you to control how you receive notifications from Basecamp. This is a great way to stay up to date on what's happening in your community without being overwhelmed. I hope these tips help you notify everyone in Basecamp. With a little practice, you'll be able to use these features to communicate effectively with your team. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Basecamp tips and tricks. I would also like to encourage you to share this video with your friends and colleagues. The more people who know about these tips, the better. Thanks again for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.